Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another big old box. This is a two-parter, so I'm going to do two separate videos. But we have another Amazon for this Saturday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo Day, Kentucky Derby Day. Hope everybody's safe today. And we made it through the weekend, so that's a plus. Definitely summertime now, getting warmer outside. No more snow. And here comes a cut. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out. And the first one we have up today. We'll go with the big one. Oh, maybe a small one. Oh, it's a small one. Keep it techy. Oh, jeez. Nobody saw that. Actually, we'll get this one out because I gotta do a review. This is from my good friends over at Aicook on Amazon Prime. We have single cup coffee maker, K-cups, normal coffee, Aicook, just one coffee cup, and boom, get your quick fix in every morning. And you guys can take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping, or your lattes and all that good stuff. Cup of Joe, multi, and all that good stuff. And also for hot chocolate. So you can use this just like for a hot chocolate machine or a backup. You're on the road, you got the RV going. Boom. We got one of these bad boys. Alright. There goes the globe. Oh, there we go. Gotta get it out. Let's see this beauty. Oh boy. Keep this in the background. There we go. Awesome. Oh, this is not bad at all. Nice color to it. Got all the accessories right here. You'll see. Oh, whoa. There we go. Oh, drop you down a little. Poison that right there. We got one of the filters right here, or the drip. I think this is for the K-cup. I might have to actually use instructions. Oh boy. What we got in here? Oh. Look at this. Little scooper for your coffee grounds. Scoop it up and dab a little in there. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Dab, dab, dab. And this is something. Oh, check out. Nice. Lid. Here we go. Got that done. Got to throw that away. Throw that away. Here she is. What she looks like. Ooh. Aicook. Aicook. AI. Here we go. And not bad at all. Nice, roomy, spacious. We got the buttons up here. Like I said, I'm gonna have to open the there we go. I think this is here's for the K-cups. Alrighty. I'm gonna show you how to use it. I got the K-cups in the kitchen. We're gonna have to go for a minute after this part. Boom. Boom. Oh. I know what this is for. Aha. I figured it out without the instructions. Hold on. This is the burner type. Or the where you put your coffee cup. Boom. See, we didn't need no instructions. Look at that. That's where you could go and then lift somehow. Should be that. Boom. You could lift that up, clean underneath. That's where the extra coffee drip goes. There we go. Ta-da! Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to go and move to the kitchen in about 2 seconds. Oop. Alright, here we go. Got the coffee plugged in. The water. Up to 15 ounces. Should be good. Pour it down in the hole. Put the cup down there. Put the K-cup in there. Hear it click. Close the lid. And there's a lock feature and tap. Okie dokie. That's locked in. Now there's side buttons. That's with the power. I'm not sure if it's one K-cup and one yep. K-cup's on top and the other one's down at the bottom. So this is not bad for a single apartment office. Let's see how long it takes to brew. I think it's working. Okay. Flashing blue. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I think I hear it brewing. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Starting. Yeah, it's definitely going. I can feel it. Might take a minute. Start warming up. I think I did put enough water in it for 1 cup. Just locked everything. Any minute. Oh, I heard it. There it goes. So I've already got, what, a minute right now into the brew. Yeah, the 4 is the top one, that's a K-cup. 5th is a coffee switch. 6 is powder holder. Oh, here it goes. So about a minute and 30. It's not bad at all. It's brewing. Where does it come out of though? The smoke smell. Oh. There it goes. Now, I can smell it. I need to do something. Don't be shy. I can feel it getting warmer. Ooh. It's warm in here. It's getting ready. Get in there. Dang, it's hot. Careful on the sides, it gets pretty toasty. Yeah, I didn't lock it in good. Hold on one sec. Alright, let's see if this works. Did punch a hole through it, so I mean, should be start brewing. There's no other. Uh-oh, hold on one sec. Oh, here we go. I forgot to read that part. After preheating, the coffee will drip automatically. Oh. Alright. There we go. Aha! Here comes a drip. You guys can hear it? But you guys can't smell it. Maybe not the drip yet. Come on. And it says once the light shuts off, it will begin. Oh, then it shuts off automatically after brew. Alright, cool. Okay, shut off now. Any minute it should start. It's coming. Come on. Just gotta have a little patience. Just gotta get warmed up. First time use. So here we go. Any minute. I'll give it another minute or two. Hopefully we get some drip action. If not, find out what's wrong with this. I don't think I did anything wrong. But come on, drip. Got warm here. Not so much here, but here. Kind of warm. Top here. It's getting warm. I can feel it now. Yeah, it's warm back here. Come on, drip. Oh boy. Now watch, once I shut it off, it'll drip. Well, pretty sure I had enough water. See, got preheated. Well, I hear it now. Maybe. I fill it up. Well, we tried, YouTubers. It does work. I'll have it on my Instagram, but I am pretty sure it does work. Just being a little stubborn. Give it one more minute. This is a good idea. There it goes. Come on. Maybe I pressed it too many times, the button. Alright, see ya.